Nine Energy Service is a completion services provider targeting unconventional oil and gas resource development across North American basins and abroad. They partner with exploration and production customers to design and deploy downhole solutions and technology, focusing on cost-effective and comprehensive completion solutions to maximize production levels and efficiency. Nine provides comprehensive completion solutions across a diverse set of well types, including complex and technically demanding unconventional wells. The company competes for intricate and demanding projects characterized by extended reach horizontal laterals, increased stage counts per well, multi-well pad development, and increased proppant loading per lateral foot. Their services cover cementing, completion tools, wireline services, and coiled tubing services. Cementing services involve designing and pumping cement slurries to secure production casing in wells. Nine operates 4 laboratory facilities capable of designing and testing cement designs, and its cement slurries are designed to achieve proper cement thickening time, compressive strength, and fluid loss control. From January 2018 through December 2024, Nine completed approximately 26,000 cementing jobs with an on-time rate of approximately 89%. Completion tools comprise composite, hybrid, and dissolvable frac plugs, as well as other patented technologies. Dissolvable frac plugs help operators reduce cycle times, decrease equipment needs, and significantly reduce carbon emissions. From January 2018 through December 2024, Nine deployed approximately 557,700 isolation, Stage 1, and casing flotation tools. Wireline services involve using wireline or electric wireline units to convey specialized tools or equipment for well completion, well intervention, or pipe recovery. Nine operates a fleet of modern cased whole wireline units designed for unconventional completion operations, and its wireline work consists primarily of plug-and-perf completions. From January 2018 through December 2024, Nine completed approximately 189,500 wireline stages with a success rate of over 99%. Nine's coiled tubing services perform wellbore intervention operations using continuous steel pipe, providing a cost-effective solution for well work. The company's coiled tubing units carry data acquisition and dissemination technology, allowing customers to monitor jobs via a web interface. From January 2018 through December 2024, Nine performed approximately 8,300 jobs and deployed more than 218 million running feet of coiled tubing, with a success rate of over 99%. Nine Energy operates in all major onshore basins in the U.S., including the Permian Basin, Marcellus and Utica Shales, Eagle Ford Shale, DJ Basin, Scoop Stack Formation, Bakken Formation, and Haynesville Formation, as well as the Western Canada Sedimentary Basin in Canada. The company's strategic geographic diversity allows it to mitigate basin and commodity risk, and its broad geographic footprint provides exposure to potential increases in drilling and completion activity. Nine's operations are subject to seasonal factors, with a typical pause in customer activity around the holiday season in the fourth quarter and weather conditions directly affecting operations. During winter months and periods of heavy snow, ice, or rain, customers may delay operations or the company may not be able to operate or move equipment between locations. The customer base is made up of a broad range of integrated and independent exploration and production companies. Demand for services and products is cyclical and substantially dependent on activity levels in the oil and gas industry, particularly customers' willingness to spend capital on exploration and development. The company competes against different companies in each service and product line, with principal competitive factors including technology offerings, well site execution, service quality, technical expertise, equipment capacity, workforce competency, efficiency, safety record, reputation, and experience. Nine purchases raw materials, parts, and components from various suppliers, with certain product lines depending on limited third-party suppliers and vendors. While the company has generally been able to obtain necessary equipment, parts, and supplies on a timely basis, it may not always be able to make alternative arrangements in the event of supply interruptions. Nine has developed proprietary downhole tools, products, and techniques through internal resources, mergers and acquisitions, and partnerships. These partnerships provide access to unique downhole technology while minimizing exposure to potential technology adoption risks and costs associated with internal research and development. Nine's engineering and technology efforts are dedicated to staying ahead of industry trends and achieving lower completion and production costs for customers. While patents, licenses, and strategic partnerships are important to the company, it does not regard any single patent, license, or partnership as critical or essential to its business as a whole. Instead, Nine depends on its technological capabilities, customer service-oriented culture, and application of know-how to distinguish itself from competitors. For more on Nine Energy Service and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.